Hey guys, welcome back to Piece. So today we're going to be talking about another React project actually. So it's called Tweety and it's a Twitter clone built using React Material UI and I've used Firebase for hosting and Cloudflare for the backend database. So this time the UI is pretty clean actually. So I'm pretty proud of this creation. So yeah, let's just jump to the demo. Okay, yeah, roll the intro. So this is Tweety. This is the entire UI of Tweety actually. So I think it looks like Twitter. I hope you agree too. So first of all, we have the site section. The icon is from Material UI. So that's why it looks pretty clean. So all these icons are from Material UI itself. So please do check it out. It's a cool React framework actually for styling and for material and for icons. So first of all, you have the sidebar, and all the sidebar options have actually a pretty animated hover state. So you can see the hover state is actually delayed a bit. So that's the entire sidebar, the icons and the text field and a tweet button and the Twitter icon. Okay. So next we have the feed section. The feed section is basically 3 input fields containing the first input field is actually what's happening, which is basically the tweet which we are supposed to be tweeting. The second is the name field, which is basically our name. The third field is the username, which is basically the username which we give to Twitter, right? So basically that's the 3 input fields. So by pressing this tweet button, you can actually tweet out a tweet. So let's just try tweeting an empty tweet. So as you can see, there comes an alert box which says please enter all the fields. So you can't tweet an empty tweet in this app. So let's just try tweeting. Let's just try hello, I am not a robot. Just a simple text. My username is Govind. My name is Govind actually. My username is GBC 2000. Okay, 2000. So you might have seen that tweet getting rendered onto the screen in an animated way rather than getting rendered straight away into the app. So that's a feature. That's the power of a library called React Flipmove. Okay, so I've talked about that library in the previous videos. Please do check it out. I'll link it in the cards above too. So that's just basically one tweet. So that's how you tweet a tweet again. So yeah, one of the cool features is that we can actually like this tweet and even retweet a tweet. So as you can see, that's basically just a toggling of icons. So that's the entire functionality of my app actually. So you can see there are a lot of tweets here. So this icon is pretty static actually. It's a cool Fox vector icon. So I chose it for being the avatar for all the tweets. So we have the widget section here, which basically has a search bar, which is pretty clean too. And we have the news section, which has a pretty cool hover state too, and all the news are getting rendered like they are static, but they are rendered pretty cleanly. So that's the entire app. That's the entire working of my app too. So I hope you like the UI because I thought it was pretty clean. I put a lot of effort into this too. So let's just go into the Firebase backend stuff. So this is the Cloudflare database. So first of all, we have the collection called post. So posts are basically just a tweets, right? The collection of tweets, and all these documents individually is one tweet. Okay, so if you take this one, it has 6 properties. The first property is the avatar image, which is basically the Fox image I showed earlier. The next is the display name. The display name is actually just the name which is to be displayed, right? So in this case, it is Govind. Okay, so in this case, it is Govind. So next we have the text, which is basically the tweet. Next we have the timestamp, which is basically just the time at which we tweeted the tweet, right? So that's one of the power of Firebase too. It gets pretty much rendered automatically into the document section. So it gets documented automatically, which is what I'm saying. Next is the username. The username is basically just in this case it is GBC21. So that's the username I showed earlier too. This is the username stuff. So and the verified section. Verified section is basically whether you have this tick mark or not, right? So basically the check mark which shows you're verified. You might have seen that in Twitter too. So basically that's a cool feature too. So those are the 6 properties in one tweet. So that's pretty much the tweet section. So let's just try deleting one tweet. So let's just try, yeah, I've chosen this, right? I showed this. Wow, this is really good from Manu, right? Yeah, let's just try deleting that. It's pretty easy to delete. You just have to delete document and start delete. And this is gonna get deleted. Yeah, see that? So that's the power of React Remove again. So that's pretty much the UI. I hope it's pretty clean. Yeah, so like the video if you like this UI, and do subscribe for more such content. So I'll go into the GitHub repository now. So this is the GitHub repository. I tidied it up pretty neatly and given it the description. There are 2 releases, 2 versions. I wanted to update it again and again actually. So yeah, the build folder is there, the SRC folder is there. So please do check it out and give a star if you like the repo. I mean like the app actually. So give a do check it out and do try to clone it on your own. Don't use my Firebase stuff. You have to get your own Firebase stuff actually. So I'll be posting a tutorial of this app completely once I get free. So we'll be going, me and Ashna will be going on a small break actually. So our exams are coming. So it's pretty tight to be making videos. So I hope you will be subscribed and do wait for more such content. We'll be back with a bang. So do check out our YouTube channel. We have recently updated our YouTube banner and even our logo. I hope it looks pretty clean. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel and do wait for more videos. And yeah, take care. Peace.